Hello and welcome, guys. You're welcome to our channel CodeWheelr. So, friends, what we are learned today? We are cannot learn today. Okay. So, why we cannot learn and why we and what we are views today? Okay. So, we are going on our project zone from theory practical base knowledge to our project zone. Okay. So, why it's important, friends? Because as we can say from the start to you, the theory is very simple to read and understand. But after reading or understanding the theory, the implementation is most important before any task. Okay. If suppose you cannot perform any operations or cannot create any projects on your learning from starting to ending, then there are the much more critical things or situations are created behind the scenes. If suppose you cannot try from your side to create any project. Okay, for that reasons we have started the project zone from now. Okay, in the project zone you are already known, but we are just refresh you and says there are the three projects in our why what in our project zone. Okay, so what is the first project? You are already known. The first project, second project, or third project. The sequence is gates 1 to 3 or 3 to 4, anything. Okay, so as we can say, suppose first is the food ordering application, next is the online movies application, etc, etc. But the sequence is means IMC is like third to first, first to second, like this. Okay, so we have started our project zone, and the first application we are tries to create a food ordering application. So we are starts. Okay, so as we can understand. Okay, so in this project, what you are learn, you are learn much more new things. Okay, how you can create a application, okay, on the web. Okay, how you can create your own SSL certificate and many more. Because SSL certificate is why is important, because gets it says your website is secure. Okay, as you can view here, it is a HTTPS site, means it can say it is a secure site. Okay, and it is very important when you are creating any project and just host your project on any server. After anyone view your project or view your site, if suppose they can view your site is runs on the HTTPS server, then they can understand it's a secure site. Okay, and they can just sign up, etc, etc, very freely. Okay, so we are just says you also in this project how you can create your project on the HTTPS server. Okay, and how you can get secure it. Okay, and many more new things. Okay, and after doing this project, we are 100% says you, we are 100% says you your programming knowledge or implementation knowledge uh, after completing our theory. Means if suppose you can get complete the overall models of the theory of the 16-hour or 20-hour content. Means from the starting how you can create the React app from the scratch using the npm init to last npm install React or React DOM, etc, etc, or anything at the last. So up to now. Okay, so 100% says that you are gets implement your or learned theory. And if suppose any error are comes, we are also solve these errors in direct, means direct in this session. So you cannot fluctuate any time or cannot create any headache between you and your friends. If suppose you can try to create any project with your friends, that time your behavior or your image is 100% says um, different than your friend, because you are learn. If suppose any error comes, you can solve it easily. So please focus, motivate, and learn from the scratch to advance. So where starts it's now. Okay, so what we have learned today? we are learn how you can create an application and how do you think to start to creating an application. Okay, first what we are learn how you can create its basic structure, means what things you are need to include in your application. As we can say you what is first, it is a food ordering application or anything. As my posting the videos, if suppose we can post first video as the Netflix tour, so it's a first. Okay, so we are going on it. As you can view here, what is the first is the header section of any website. Okay, first is the header section of any website. And as you can view in the header section, what things are happens is the logo is happen of that particular website or that particular company. Then the name of that particular company is happens. Then next, some corporate Swiggy or etc etc. As we cannot marketing, we can only says what things are comes. If suppose you can trying to create an a project. Okay, so first what happens, the logo and the name of that company. As we can see same for the Zomato also. As you can view here, the name and the logo is also happens here. We just show you. Okay, okay, the name only is happens in the Zomato. So and the header section is also happen, but it comes with the background image. Okay, cover image. Then next, the searching bar, discover the best food and drinks in the Nagpur. Okay, this is in the Nagpur page. Okay, so every website comes with their own header section. So header section is important for you, me, and every that developer who can try to create a new website. So we can get include first thing. What is this? Is a header. This is the header, or this is the header. Okay, so we are going on the next. What is the thing? So as you can view, some title is here or and a paragraph like structure is here. It's a title. Okay, what the Swiggy R says: order food and groceries, discover the best restaurants Swiggy eat. Okay, and Zomato R says discover the best food and drinks in the Nag. Okay, the city name is only changes here. Okay, as we can see, we are search about the Dude, then it changes. Then next year, etc. 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 Okay, so both are comes with their different strategies and etc etc, but both works are same to deliver a food online. So what is the next thing, there is the search bar is here, and one is the select bar is also here, means select button is also here for just use your current location, or you can also view here view here the recent searches, means which are popular searches. Okay, so where the peoples are order the food maximum times. Okay, as you can view the core Bangla or Bangalore, or these searches are from your side, means this is a history only. Okay, so you can also create like this. Okay, this is a search bar to just search products. Okay, so as you can view here, after clicking the search bar you can just go on here and you can view there are the biryani, pizza, rolls, tea, burgers, Chinese, cake, dessert, etc etc things are happening. Okay, which is popular cushions. Cushions means just items, not much more. Okay, just go on the home page. As you can view in the Zomato also, there is also same thing. What is first is the select button to select the particular city or the current location. Okay, then next, search about what the product or what the city, or in the city. Okay, sorry, in which city you are try to order any new food. Okay, so then next, what things are happen, there are some uh, marketing like structure, means what the food are available in their website. Okay, so same like for the here also. Okay, what things or what the services they are gives you, like the food delivery from the restaurant up to 60% off. Okay, Instamart, Insta grocery up to 60% off, or dinner out, eat, etc. etc. Means dinner also happens up to 50% off, and pick up and drop means delivery options. Okay, so just like these features are available from the Swiggy. Okay, as you can view here, there is a scroll bar is here. Okay, they cannot. They are just forget to remove the scroll bar from here. Okay, so then next what thing are happens after doing this, you can view here the collection is happens, means this is a body part. Okay, after doing the header part, this is the header. Okay, and in the header there are the things are happen, the name, the search bar, and add restaurant, login, signing, etc, etc. Okay, so and in the Swiggy there are also same, the search bar, header. Okay, the some information about their particular website, what things or what fields they can provide. Okay, then next we are going on our body. As you can view in the Swiggy, there are the order our best food options. Okay, they can just choose what food are available from their site, just like the dosa, idli, very must, yeah, dosa, idli. Okay, after clicking here, what things are happen, you can just view the menu is menu is show before you. Okay, as you can view here, after going next it can just reload from their side, and as you can view the structure like the uh, new UI. After just scrolling your page, okay, the new UI is happens, sort by structure is happen by the delivery time, ratings, low, etc, etc. Okay, so then next, pure wage. Okay, after clicking the pure wage, all item are comes in the list are the pure wage. Okay, so how you can create it, we are also says you, then less than 300 price. Okay, or less than 3 to 600 price. Okay, in between them we can say you. So don't worry, you can learn everything from here. We are come for the idli. Okay, so just go back. Okay, after doing this, there are the much more new items are available, and you can view there is the scroll. Okay, there is scroll, and this thing is also happen after clicking here also scroll. Okay, so in the Zomato what things are happen, as you can view, they can show says you in the Nagpur what things are happen there, the restaurant is happen from the Zomato, etc, etc. Okay, they can say popular cities around the Nagpur, etc. After just clicking on any city or what is it? Dharmapet. I think this is a better city in this area of the Nagpur. Okay, so as you can do after clicking here, we can just navigate on another page. What is the navigation, etc? We are done. Okay, so how we can just navigate on another page using the React DOM? Okay, you are already know. Okay. After clicking here, you can view there is the 50% off, etc, etc. Like here. Okay, the delivery, nightlife. Okay, then next, the menu of the food and restaurants you can view here. Okay, the penthouse by hotel, Bridgen, etc. So what the food are available from that particular hotel, etc, all are happens here. As you can view here, if suppose you can click here, explore the near me. Okay, as you can click here or view here, every in this here means Maharashtra near me. Okay, after clicking here you can just go on the next page. Okay, and the new menu are come like the Goli Vada Pav. Okay, 4.5 rating plus the restaurants are come, etc, etc, etc. Okay, so then next, going on our Swiggy, as you can view here, discover the best restaurant dinner. Okay, as we can see, for the dinner or anything, Swiggy shows you the restaurant's menu to here. You can just go on the restaurant or order your food from there, from these restaurants also. Okay, then next what thing are happen, they are shows you the their application. Okay, after clicking or searching from here, you can just download the application, but we cannot go on the application part. We are only says how you can create a website or web application from our side. Okay, so if suppose we are just launch or we can think to create a application from our side, we can save you and add this also in this lectures. Okay, so don't worry, but before that we can claim we cannot create an mobile application, we just create a website. Okay, so as you can view here, Swiggy is also shows and marketing like their application is present, you can download from here, and the same for the Zomato also. We can just go on the main page, means the, what is the main page? main page is the home page. Okay, as you can go near or below, it can also says get the Zomato application, etc. etc. After going to below, it can says near me, means near the restaurants which are present from your side. It can just shows you. As we can say we are in the Nagpur, then it can shows the near to Nagpur restaurants. Okay, so then next in the Zomato there are the footer section is available at the last. Okay, and as you can view in the Swiggy, what things are happen, they are only shows the cities, etc., etc., etc. Okay, order food online Bangalore, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, etc. And if suppose you can try to find a new city, you can just click on the show more option. Cities or grocery delivery also from the Zomato or Swiggy, etc., etc. Okay, so the next last part is what happens after completing the body section. No, Swiggy or Zomato or any ordering application, food ordering application. Last part is what happens. Last part is the footer section is available, means as you can view here, what things are happens in any website. There is the header section, there is the body section, and there is a footer section. Okay, in any website, as you can view, first is the header, just like this, then the body, and the last section is the footer section. As you can view, same in the Zomato also, header section, the body section, as you can view, and the last is the footer section. Okay, so we can discuss about the components present in this. Okay, what is the components? Just like in the first part, in the header, what things? The logo, the Swiggy name. Okay, there you can also create it like the different components for reuse. You are already known what is the component because you are learned from CodeWheelr. Okay, there are, you can also create, these are the different components, means you can just create a different component for Swiggy name or your company name. Okay, you can try to think to create a company like CodeWheelr, etc., etc. Or you can also create a separate component for your logo. Then next, there are the four things are happen in the Swiggy. There is the corporate, partner with us, get the application, sign up or login page. Okay, so then next, the search bar is here. This is a special component because if suppose you can go on the next page, it also comes. Okay, so you can use it on the next page. It can just save your time. Okay, then next, the features are available or services are available from the Swiggy. Then next, same for the Zomato also. Okay, features or services available from here, and the body part. Okay, we are discuss about these things and what we are learn. Okay, how you can create it, we can just view what or how your application looks after you can create. Okay, mm, 1 minute, we are going where it's present. Okay, we are here, let's go here. Okay, you are already known what is this. This is the local to server, how the data goes. Okay, so, okay, this is your application. After viewing this or after viewing the Swiggy or Zomato's UI, you are saying, what is this? This is very simple, etc. etc. So friends, don't worry, you can learn everything from here. Okay, so this is the main page. As we can say, what the main things are come in every application, the header, the body section. Okay, and the last part is footer. As you can view here, this is very simple for you to understand. Okay, so we can create it just like a simple. So at a time when you can develop it, so you can just understand what the things behind happens or what is the main core thing happens or how you can create it like the production ready application. So don't worry, you can learn everything from it. The logo, the name. Okay, this is the header section, the home tab about card login, etc. So, okay, and in the body, what things are happen, as you can view in the Zomato or Swiggy's website, the search bar and the search button is happen, the menu cards are happens. Okay, the cities, etc., etc., everything is happens. Okay, so then next, the footer part is available. In the footer part, what things are happens in the footer part, there is the 1 minute, we are go and open our sticky notes. Okay, just show you. These are gets just 1 to 2 minutes because this is very large file which are stored in the small part. Okay, because of that, okay, it just gets some time. Okay, okay, As you can view in the footer, what things are happen, there is a disclaimer, there is the address, there is a contact, and etc things are happens in the last part. Okay, so as you can view here, there is the company, about us, Swiggy corporate careers, teams, etc things are happens in the footer. And the last is the for better experience, download the Swiggy app, happens by the Swiggy. And in the Zomato, same thing are happens about this Zomato means the company. Okay, the career option, etc. And learn more means the privacy, security terms, and sitemap, and the application links from their side. So we are also created like this, means some like this. We are not focused maximally then on the CSS. We are just create and develop the logic behind the scenes are what happens. So learn motivated keep every time. Okay, motivation and consistency is very important. Okay, so we are going on our part. So keep it up, learns every time. So next is our developing or the project zone. So best of